Hi, I'm Jim, and this is Jim's Fix-It Shop, and today we're going to give away this Hychika mini circular saw. I'm a day behind. Things just got crazy the last couple of weeks, and I guess let's see if we can get a hold of somebody. We're going to pick out a person. Turn the volume up on this thing. Sari, pick a number between 1 and 16.
The answer is 7.
Number 7. Richard. Let's give Richard a call quick and see if he's home. Sorry, almost forgot. Row.
You have reached the phone of Mike Wessner. I cannot answer the phone at this time. Please leave a message and I will call you back. Thanks.
Richard, this is Jim at Jim's Fix-It Shop, and I'll have to call you back in a little while. Thanks. Bye. Well, Richard's not home, so we'll be back. Hi, I guess we'll try number 7, which was Richard. We'll see if he's home yet. And we'll hit redial. It's a holiday weekend. Maybe he's gone. Ain't sounding good.
You have reached the phone of Mike Wessner. I cannot answer the phone at this time. Please leave a message and I will call you back. Thanks.
Hey Richard, this is Jim's Fix-It Shop calling, and I'll try to call you back tomorrow. It's 8 o'clock Friday night. Thank you, and bye. Well, sometimes you just can't win. So we'll call him back tomorrow, so hang on. Hi, I'm Jim, and this is Jim's Fix-It Shop. We got a hold of Richard finally, and he had no idea why I was calling him. And I told him he won, and he said right now he's in Virginia, and right now he's down in Florida visiting his brother because of some health concerns. And he kind of went into detail, and I didn't think that was something I wanted to publish on YouTube. So I erased it, and this is the end of this giveaway. I did get a hold of him. He's going to send me his name, address, and zip code. And when he gets back home from Florida, he is going to call me or email me and let him know he's home, and I will ship this out at that time. So at this point, we're on to the next giveaway. I got my little book here of all the names and phone numbers of all the giveaways I do. The next one will probably be the endoscope, one of them. And I'm getting flooded with tools to do reviews on. I had a company send me a laser. It's a pretty good sized laser you put on a tripod, and it whips a circle around it. And I've got a project I want to get started with this. Hopefully I can get to it with the next couple of weeks. They always like to see a video of their product within a week or two, but I've had my own issues that we're working on, and I'm going to try to get to it as soon as I can. So until next time, work safe, have fun, and I'll talk to you soon. So long.